Yo, let me break it down real quick. Deleting pics straight from the Google Photos app is kinda risky, cause once you do that, they vanish from your iPhone's Photos app too. I tested it out, deleted one shot, and boom, it disappeared from my Photos app as well. Only way I could still see it was in the deleted album. So, if you just want to clear off your Google account and not mess with your iPhone, here's the safe play. You gotta do it through photos.google.com. Hop on a browser, phone, or desktop, doesn't matter. Log in with the right Google account. Once you're in, here are all of your Google Photos and videos. Tap on the More three-dot button at the top right and select Photos. You can select one by one or select all at once in month and day-wise. Select all the pics and vids you want to get rid of. Tap that little delete icon up top. Hit Move to Bin and done. You've got 60 days to bring it back if you change your mind. If you're trying to empty the trash, tap the menu on the top left, go to Bin, then smash that bin icon up top and clear it out. Now, here's another slick way, especially if you're dealing with those chunky videos taking up mad space. Tap the menu again, slide into the storage section. Under Review and Delete, hit Large Photos and Videos. You can select all to grab everything at once. Want to keep them before you ditch them? Download those videos first. Then tap Delete, Move, M to Bin, and bam, 5+ gigs gone in one shot. So yeah, 2 easy ways to clean house in Google Photos. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and hit subscribe for more free tech guide vids.